Is he that terrifying?
He's much like myself, but absent my merciful nature and sense of fair play.
Welcome to Singapore.
Xiao Fang 他是一个海盗王嘛，在新加坡的王，他都是活跃在南中国海一带。
The reason that the Chinese actually became pirates, most of them were fishermen, and the only way they could get ahead was to pirate.
Who are you?
Tai Huang. These are my men. They developed this kind of reputation for fierceness. Because they had to. It was the only way they could survive.
So, the only way a pirate can make a profit is by betraying other pirates.
I can live with that.
海盗出卖海盗是正常的，所以他是当一个买卖。
That's just good business.
Chow Yun-fat is a masterful actor. He's international star.
He's like the biggest movie star in China, right? So relatively, he's the biggest movie star in the whole wide world because of the amount of people, you know. He has a godlike status in that country.
This is a mega movie star that we all kind of idolize him.
Ready, action!
His work is spectacular. He has a great work ethic.
We worked well together. He picked things up. He had definite ideas about his character. He came in with definite things that he wanted to accomplish character-wise, and we made some adjustments to what we had laid out.
How's that?
Chow Yun-fat brought his own stunt double from Hong Kong, Bai Wai Wong, I believe his name is. And they had an unusual way of working where we would demo everything with his double. And I would suggest, well, you want to start working on this? And he goes, no, we'll do this at the hotel. He discovered the moments that were important to him within the choreography, within the fight, within his character. And that's what he wanted to concentrate on. But he knew it all.
我跟 Elizabeth 一起呢，我觉得她也很美丽。我跟她深深的一吻呢，永远不会忘记的。
No other treatment would be worthy of you. Calypso.
Excuse me?
不要告诉我的太太。
You will be free.
Can I have one more, please? It's so funny because you meet this guy and he's a clown. He's like a total goofball.
So I can make you back. Myself! I'm sorry.
And marker!
Honestly, not in the DVD, okay?
He made us feel comfortable, and I think that was great that he did that.
Actually, he hugs all the actors. He hugs the background. He hugs Gore. He hugs everybody. He comes on set. I said, what do you want me to call you? He said, Fat Go. In China, Fat would be his first name. Go means older brother. So I thought, okay, yeah, you're my captain.
因为我是海盗的 fans， 所以跟他们走在一起，就是好像那个小孩走入那个梦境里头，看到我喜欢的，所以跟他们走在一起就是特别过瘾，特别开心。